This video is going to show us how to update the Qx2 bulb to the new copper shielding. So watch here as we install this. Simply roll up the piece that came with your bulb or that we shipped out to you. Push it into the front end of the current webbing, and you'll see that Dan has gloves on here in order to prevent the outer edges from cutting his fingers. But it's not that difficult. Don't overcomplicate this. Just push it in like you see here. So you'll see he's just working it along the edges. Now we're going to mount the bulb, assuming you purchased the new Qx2 bulb. It does have a smaller bubble. By adding this copper front end, we do increase the pillow effect, so we make great contact. And right now he's just installing the straps. Do not over tighten these. Just snug them up. That way we can always center the bulb if we have to. You see there? And then we'll just kind of snug them, and then we'll just cut off the ends. And everything's done. We're good to go.